Hello guys, today in this video we are going to review Eroxon Gel. So in this video we will cover each and every information related to this product, like who can use this gel and what are the benefits and what are the side effects and what are the precautions you should take while before using this you can say gel. Each and every information I'm going to provide you in this video, so let's get started. The first thing you should know about this gel, that who can use this gel. Okay, so if you are facing any issue related to your sexual problem, okay, like if you have so much desire and but your penis is not erectile very good, and or you can say if you have any kind of erectile dysfunction problem, and maybe if you have erectile but you don't have any kind of sex desire, but or you can say maybe you are not in you can say bad, then in that case you can use this gel. Okay, so this gel is basically used for, like you can say, erectile dysfunction. Okay, so now come to the second point. Who can use this gel? Anyone can use this gel who have any kind of issue related to erectile or you can say sex desire. Okay, so now come to the second point, how to use this gel. Okay, so as you can see on your screen, this is the use of you can say this is the use method of this gel. Like over here you can see you just need to open the cap of the you can say gel, and you need to take a massage on your penis top area, and you need to wait for 10 minutes before play, and you can say then you can go for play, and you can enjoy your desire. If you don't feel any kind of desire, or you can say if the gel is not work for you, then in that case what you have to do, you need to apply it once again and you need to try it once again. Okay, so the benefit of this gel is you will get good type of erection, and you can say the gel is basically work within 10 to 15 minutes. But as compared to other tablets, like if you use any kind of tablet related to erectile dysfunction, then the tablet maybe work like approx 30 to 40 minutes. You need to take tablets before 30 to 40 minutes for your you can say on bed, but if you don't have so much time, then you can use this kind of gel. This kind of gel will give you good result in you can say erection and all. So this is a very good gel. I really you can say personally you can say I personally recommend you can also use this gel for better you can say erection and all. Okay, so what are the side effects? Now come to the point, what are the side effects and who should not use this kind of gel? So the side effects, maybe you will see in, like if you have so much sensitive skin, then maybe you will feel some kind of irritation on your penis. So the better thing, before using this gel you need to consult your doctor if you have any kind of allergic problem. Okay, so if you don't have any kind of allergic problem, then you can use. If you have some kind of allergic problem, or you can say if you see any kind of allergic issue, then you can say wash it very you can say fastly, or you can say you need to wash your penis with you can say water, or you can say soap. When the gel is washed, then the you can say effect may be reduced slowly, or you can consult your doctor very you can say soon. Okay, so this is the review about Eroxon gel. If you have any kind of questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And this video is regarding for your erectile dysfunction. If you're facing any issue related to erectile dysfunction, then you can also make a comment. I will give you some kind of you can say homemade remedies. By using that remedies, you can you can treat your erectile dysfunction within 10 to 15 days only. Okay, so this is video helpful for you. Please hit the like button, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.